Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on coconut. Coconuts grow on tall palm trees in tropical regions. They have a hard brown shell with white flesh inside. Coconut water is found inside young green coconuts and is refreshing to drink. The white flesh inside a mature coconut is called coconut meat. Coconut meat can be eaten raw, shredded, or used in cooking and baking. Coconut oil is made from coconut meat and is used for cooking and skincare. The outer husk of a coconut can be used to make ropes, mats, and other products. Coconut trees are also called trees of life because they provide many useful products. Coconuts are important in tropical cuisines and cultures around the world. People enjoy coconuts for their taste, nutrition, and versatility in everyday life. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.